Okay, let's doodle our owl. So we'll start with the top of the head and we'll just do a slight curved line like that. Then we do a little triangle on that side, little triangle on that side. Now we're going to do one big shape for the owl, and you go down, round and up. And then we're going to do the eyes. The eyes for the owl are probably the most important part. So we're going to do a little bit something that looks like a mask. So up, down and round and join in the middle. Now we're going to do the two big eyes, so big circles inside this mask, and then another one inside that, and that one will be coloured in. So the same on this side, a big circle with a slightly smaller one inside. Now we're going to put the beak in here as well, and owls have got very small little beaks, so just do a little triangle like that, okay? Now the next thing we're going to do is a little curved line for the tummy, because this will be coloured a different colour. And I'll move on to the wings. So if we go to about here, do a curve and then a straight line down. We're going to now put some curves in to meet that point. So 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to try and get my wing the same on this side. I do find it hard to get things symmetrical sometimes. So 1, but it doesn't have to be perfect. 1, 2, 3. That one's bigger than that one, but it doesn't matter, it's a doodle. Okay, so we'll do some feet. So a straight line, and then 3 lines. Straight line, and then 3 lines. Now, when we colour it in, it'll start to look more like an owl. So I'm going to get my brown pencil, and I'm going to colour away the top of the head, like this. Colour, colour. Onto the ears and the top of the head, like so. There we go. I find colouring really relaxing. Love it. And now we'll do the wings this colour. We're going to go over with different colour, a dark brown, to put some detail in as well. You know I love a bit of detail. I think the colouring is just as important as the drawing, because you can add different colours and shading and textures using your colours. They really bring a character to life. So there we go. Now I'm going to get my light colour, which is a bit like a peach, but you could use whatever you have. You might have a yellow, which would look just as good. So I'm just going to colour in there, and I'm going to colour his tummy this colour, like this. Okay, now I'm going to do my eyes, because I don't think he looks like an owl yet until we've got the eyes sorted. So we've got to colour the eyes black, but I'm going to leave a little white dot in each eye. So I'm going to draw a little semicircle inside that eye, and I'm not going to colour that bit in. I'm going to colour the rest of the circle in. There we go. So do another semicircle there at the top, and colour the rest of the eye in. You see how that looks like an owl now? Much better, doesn't it? Let's do a beak. So I'm going to get my dark brown and put the beak in properly. And then I'm going to add some texture now to the wings. So to look like feathers, I'm going to do some little curved lines like this. Make it look like wings. And on the other side. And I'm going to put some in the tummy as well. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, like that. And let's go over his feet. His little legs. And there we have our owl.